You ever spend an hour chasing an electrical problem in your car, only to realize the multimeter you're using is giving you completely wrong readings? It happens more often than people admit. Cheap meters can misread voltage, miss parasitic draws, or fail right when you need them most. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 of the best digital multimeters for car electrical testing so you can diagnose problems faster, avoid wasting money on the wrong tool, and actually trust the numbers you're seeing. And real quick, if you like honest, hands-on automotive tool reviews like this, hit subscribe. I test and compare gear so you don't have to. I've also put the best current deals for each multimeter down in the description, and if you drop a comment with your vehicle or the electrical issue you're chasing, I'll try to help you pick the right tool for the job. Let's start with number 5. The Klein Tools CL800 Digital Clamp Meter is one of those tools that immediately feels serious the moment you hold it. It's built around a rugged, industrial-grade housing with a large backlit display and a clamp jaw that measures AC current up to 600 amps without needing to disconnect wiring. It also works as a full multimeter, giving you voltage, resistance, continuity, capacitance, frequency, and even temperature readings. Klein designed this meter with automotive and electrical troubleshooting in mind, so it includes features like auto-ranging, low impedance mode to eliminate ghost voltage, and a Cat-IV 600V safety rating. The leads are solid, the rotary dial feels precise, and it runs on standard batteries with long life. In real-world automotive work, the clamp feature is where this tool shines. Instead of cutting into a wire to measure current draw, you can clamp around it and instantly see how much power a component is pulling. That's incredibly useful when diagnosing alternator output, parasitic battery drain, or high-draw accessories like amplifiers or cooling fans. It's the kind of meter that works great for DIY mechanics but is also rugged enough for shop environments. If you want a single tool that handles both standard multimeter tasks and current measurements safely, this one delivers serious versatility. The only downside is that the clamp design makes it a little bulkier than a standard handheld meter. But if you're looking for something more compact and budget-friendly, the next option proves you don't have to spend big money to get solid diagnostics. At number 4, the Crenova MS8233D Multimeter is one of those surprisingly capable budget tools that punches above its price point. It's a compact digital multimeter with auto-ranging capability, a clear LCD display with backlight, and standard measurement functions like DC and AC voltage, resistance, continuity testing, and diode testing. It also includes transistor testing and a data hold function, which can actually be helpful when you're probing in tight engine bays. The casing is rubberized for shock resistance, and the meter runs on a simple 9-volt battery. It's lightweight, portable, and easy to keep in your glove box or toolbox. For everyday automotive electrical checks, this meter handles the basics extremely well. Testing battery voltage, checking alternator output, verifying fuses, diagnosing bad grounds, that's exactly where this type of tool fits. It's simple enough for beginners, but still accurate enough for routine troubleshooting. If you're just getting into DIY car repair or want an affordable backup meter in your garage, this one makes a lot of sense. The main trade-off is that it doesn't have the advanced safety ratings or specialty features you'll find in more professional meters. Now, stepping up the reliability ladder a bit, the next meter is one of the most popular choices among DIY mechanics for a reason. Coming in at number 3, the AstroAI Digital Multimeter has built a reputation for being one of the best value automotive meters available. It's a fully featured digital meter with auto-ranging capability, capable of measuring DC and AC voltage up to 600 volts, resistance, continuity, diodes, and current up to 10 amps. The unit includes a large backlit LCD display, protective rubber casing, overload protection on all ranges, and a simple rotary dial interface that's easy to use even if you're wearing gloves. AstroAI also includes solid test leads and a fold-out stand for bench testing. In practice, this meter is ideal for car owners who regularly do their own maintenance. Checking battery health, verifying alternator charging voltage, testing sensors, or tracking down electrical gremlins becomes straightforward with a tool like this. The accuracy is reliable, the interface is beginner-friendly, and the build quality is surprisingly durable for the price. It's the kind of meter many people start with and end up using for years because it simply works. The only small drawback is that it lacks some advanced features like clamp current measurement or specialty automotive diagnostics. But if you want a kit specifically designed for electrical troubleshooting, rather than just a standalone meter, the next option changes the game. At number 2, the Klein Tools 69149P Electrical Test Kit takes a different approach by combining multiple diagnostic tools into one package. This kit includes a high-quality digital multimeter along with a non-contact voltage tester and a receptacle tester, all designed with Klein's signature durable construction. The multimeter itself measures AC and DC voltage, resistance, and continuity with a clear digital display and straightforward controls. Everything comes organized in a durable carrying case, which makes it easy to keep your electrical testing gear together. What makes this kit valuable for automotive and garage use is convenience. Instead of hunting for different testers when diagnosing electrical issues in your vehicle, your garage outlets, or your shop wiring, you've got everything in one setup. The multimeter handles vehicle diagnostics, the voltage tester quickly identifies live circuits, and the outlet tester helps verify garage power sources when you're running chargers or tools. It's a practical setup for DIY mechanics who want more than just a single meter. The only minor limitation is that the included multimeter isn't quite as advanced as some standalone professional models. And that leads perfectly into the number 1 pick, the tool trusted by professional technicians around the world. Taking the top spot is the Fluke 117 Digital Multimeter, and there's a reason this meter has become almost legendary in the electrical and automotive world. Fluke builds this unit with extremely tight accuracy standards, true RMS measurement capability, and an incredibly rugged construction designed for professional environments. It measures AC and DC voltage, resistance, continuity, frequency, and capacitance, with a large bright display and automatic voltage detection. It also includes Fluke's LOZ mode to eliminate false readings from ghost voltage and a Cat3 600V safety rating. Here's where this really stands out. When you're diagnosing complex electrical problems, intermittent sensor faults, charging system issues, or strange voltage drops, accuracy matters. The Fluke 117 delivers readings you can trust every time. The build quality is exceptional, the dial action feels precise, and the overall reliability is why many professional technicians keep a Fluke meter in their toolbox for decades. If you work on vehicles regularly or just want the absolute best diagnostic tool you can buy, this meter is hard to beat. The only downside is the higher price, but for serious users, the reliability easily justifies the cost. So here's the bottom line. If you want the absolute professional-grade meter that technicians trust, the Fluke 117 is the clear winner. The Klein Tools 69149P kit is perfect if you want a complete electrical testing setup in one package. The AstroAI meter delivers excellent everyday value for DIY mechanics, while the Crenova MS8233D is a great low-cost option for basic diagnostics. And if you want the versatility of a clamp meter for measuring current safely, the Klein Tools CL800 is a powerful tool to have in your garage. Every one of these meters can help you diagnose car electrical problems faster and avoid replacing parts that aren't actually broken, which is where most people waste money. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest automotive tool reviews and practical repair tips that help you work smarter in the garage. If you want to check the latest prices or grab the best deals, you'll find all the links in the description below. And if you're troubleshooting an electrical issue on your car right now, drop your vehicle and symptoms in the comments. I read them and try to help when I can.